Today, I'm putting Ryujinx and Eden head-to-head to see which Switch emulator actually comes out on top. Ryujinx has been the go-to for stability and compatibility for a while now, especially on mid-range PCs. Eden, on the other hand, is newer and focuses on performance tweaks and experimental improvements. In my testing, Ryujinx feels more consistent, while Eden sometimes pushes higher FPS but can be unstable. If you want plug-and-play reliability, Ryujinx is still king, but if you're chasing raw speed, Eden might surprise you. Overall, both have their strengths, and the best choice really depends on your system and what you're trying to play. I'd say Ryujinx is better for most users right now, especially if you value stability over experimental gains. Meanwhile, Eden is worth keeping an eye on as it matures, because its performance potential is definitely promising. At the end of the day, both emulators are impressive, and I recommend trying both to see what works best for you.